Welcome back to Love Vegan, and we are in beautiful Thailand for this series of Thai cooking classes. So we're going to be cooking some of the most popular dishes in Thailand, taught to us by Chef Chi. And where are we at the moment?
We are in Shallots.
Yeah, so this is a 5-star hotel in Samui, and the chef here will teach you how to make some of the best dishes. So this week we're going to make whatever pops up on the screen right now, and with the aid of Chef Chi we're going to teach you how to make this beautiful Thai dish. So the ingredients for this week is some lemongrass, some Galangal, some coriander root. You can use the whole thing, some shallots, some garlic, a little nutmeg, some peanuts, and a whole load of chillies. These have been pre-boiled, so they're a lot softer, give an easier time with the mortar and pestle later on. So to make the curry, first up, finely chop a piece of the lemongrass, and then just go over it a few more times. The more you chop it now, the easier it is later on in the mortar and pestle, so put the effort in now to save you the effort later. Next up, chop a small piece of the galangal. And then put the lemongrass and galangal on a plate for later. Next up, chop the coriander root. Again, finely chopped is best. And then put this on the plate with the other ingredients. Next up, finely chop the shallots. You check out the nice skills of Chef Chi here. Okay, pop this on the plate. And then next up, you'll want to finely chop some garlic. I'm struggling to keep up with her here. Her knife skills are so good. Next up, finally chop your chillies. So the more you chop now, obviously again it's easier in the mortar and pestle later, so really put the effort in to finely chop this. You should better chop it so much that it's already nearly a paste. And simply put all the chopped ingredients into the mortar and pestle. And then just pound them. You pound them for a long time till you make a paste. So you see I've got my hand on the rear of the bowl here. This is to stop any of the chilies from potentially getting flicked up into your eye, which would be incredibly painful. Next up, add half a teaspoon of salt, and then pound some more. Add your peanuts, and then keep pounding until it's a smooth paste. And then when the paste is totally smooth, pop it onto a plate. And you can see here I'm scraping it out, it's an incredibly smooth curry paste. You really want to put the effort into as much mortar and pestle work as you can so you don't have any bits and seeds. Okay, so the ingredients for the curry is some pumpkin, some Kaffir lime leaves, and of course some more chilies. So to prep the ingredients, you want to skin the pumpkin and then chop it into some large cubes. These can be fairly large, quite chunky. So de-stalk and then finally chop the lime leaves. Again, you can see how fine they are from Chef Chi here. And then just put these ingredients onto a plate. Next up, we're going to de-seed a few of the chilies. And then I'm going to cut these into some decorative strips. So you can see there's quite small strips here. And then pop these ingredients onto the plate, and then we're ready to cook. So first up, add a little oil to the pan. We're going to add 1.5 tablespoons of our curry paste. We're going to add 7 small ladles of coconut milk. I'm going to dissolve the curry paste into the milk. Next up is 4 teaspoons of soy sauce. And then 1 heaped teaspoon of palm sugar. You can adjust this later on. And then add the pumpkin and boil until it starts to soften. Then we're going to add some of the Kaffir lime leaves and a few of the chili slices, so save a few for decoration at the end. Then you're just going to continue to cook until the pumpkin is ready, and then give it a taste test to see if you need to add any more salt or any more sugar to your dish. This one was fine the way it was, so your dish is ready to serve. Add a few of those chili slices that you saved later on to decorate your dish, and it's as simple as that. Your dish is ready. Thank you very much for watching this week's cooking video, and as you can see, this dish was super easy to make, and I can guarantee it was incredibly tasty. If you want to see more of this Thai cooking class, click on the next video coming up. We'll leave full details of the Sala cooking class in the description box below, so if you're coming to Thailand, come to Samui, you can actually do this class yourself with Chef Chi. I guarantee you won't be disappointed with the results. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe if you like this video, and we'll see you next time.